different for two reasons.
Yep.
Number one, it's already been played.
How does that work?
And number two, it features every member of the family.
This week, both families had 24 hours to learn how to sing and dance, and then appear live on stage with Boyzone in front of 5,000 people. Here's how they got on.
That's it. These families are going to get a crash course in singing, dancing, and performing.
Normally it would take me 3 weeks to get a complete novice up to this standard, and I've got 24 hours.
Confidence, probably not a word I'd use at the moment.
Punch.
Dancing and singing together is going to be tough.
Gotta get it through to you.
It's a hard routine, but we've nearly got it. We just need to practice.
If you rock it out and keep that confidence look on your face, keep the face smiling and being happy, nobody ever knows if you've gone wrong or if you haven't.
Today's the day that we've just woken up, had a bit of a restless sleep.
Mum's not good. She's been up all night, she's poorly.
We've all worked hard to get here, and I don't want to let anyone down.
So, we've just arrived in Cardiff, ready to meet up with the families who've been rehearsing for the last 24 hours.
And I hope it's been going well, because in just under 5 hours, they will be performing live up there.
Is one team particularly better than the other? You don't have to say any names.
Yeah, I think I do, yeah.
Team Simpson!
Got to get serious about this, don't we, right?
Because we don't want to be too confident.
No.
This is chill. Anything can happen.
So while you're singing, look, just have a look at the rest, then you know which way we're going. Yeah? This is a bit I enjoyed. So what are you doing here, Joy?
I don't know.
Freestyling?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
If you look like you're having fun, then the audience will have fun too.
A lot of hard work still needed, but we could get there. We've got a couple of hours before the show. If they keep rehearsing, we could get there. But there is signs of improvement. Little signs of improvement. It's showtime for Boyzone, and in about an hour and a quarter, it'll be showtime for our families.
Let's pop backstage and see how they're getting on.
Hello, I'm Ronan.
They're both very, very nervous, so please be very supportive as I introduce you to my family. It's the Gumbos!
My family, the reigning champions have pushed the button. They're back for a second week. From Huddersfield, it's the Simpsons! Yes, welcome back on stage. Your friends and mine. Boyzone are here! Here we go!
Okay, families, how are you feeling? You all right? You ready? All right, Cardiff, come on, I need your help. Let's go! How hard is this?
Here we go!
Come on! I've got something to tell you. I've got something to say. I'm gonna put this career in motion. Never let nothing stand in my way. When I'm going against the dark and going. I'm gonna get myself across the river.
Yes, you got the word!
Price I'm willing to pay.
I'm gonna make you stand forever. We love it when you go out your way.
That's the best they've ever done it! They've never done it that well before, ever!
and do the things that lovers do.
Wanna hold ya.
Wanna hold ya.
I gotta get through to you,
Both families, but now it's the moment of truth. Boyzone trained with you, perform with you, and then judge you on 3 criteria: vocal ability, your dancing, and your all-round showmanship. And the winning family is... Gonna find out after the break. Families perform live with Boyzone. Now Ronan and the boys are going to tell us which family they think did the best job, and the winners will get to knock £20,000 off the losers' total. Good luck to both families. Let's see who they chose.
It's a no-brainer from me. It's The Simpsons. It's The Simpsons.
Simpsons.
Remember 5-star? Here comes The Simpsons.
Well done. Well done. Good work. Good work. Hey, well done. Where's Gillian gone?